Hey guys, this is just a quick kitchen tip. I know some of you have probably heard or seen this, but I'm just going to explain mine's a little bit in detail, but very quick and to the point. So you see my microwave, nice and clean, nice and shiny. And I don't play having all that nastiness up here. I know a lot of people clean a microwave and avoid this, but this is where most of the food pops at. But guys, if you have the type of microwave I have a metal rack. It's actually soaking. I like to soak that every couple days or whatever, just to make sure it's not greasy or anything. So today I'm just sharing my quick cleaning tip, and all I use is Dollar Tree's lemon juice, and I also use lime juice in about a tablespoon. I set it right in here. I cut my microwave on for a minute, then I come in with a sponge or a rag and I just wipe it down really well. And when I tell you that lemon juice and all that stuff makes everything not stick to the insides of your microwave. So definitely, if you haven't heard of this, some of you may have, but for those who haven't, this is a quick and easy tip to get all that grime out of your microwave. If you feel like it's still not coming off, throw that lemon juice in there for another minute, and then it should start to easily wipe off to get your microwave nice and clean. Guys, when I first got my microwave, I put the metal rack too close to the back. I didn't realize it because I'm like, hold up. Is this supposed to be in here? I thought you couldn't put metal in the microwave, but you can. It has to be a certain type of metal. But I had it in backwards, and every time I would put it in, it would be fizzing and popping and making this noise. I'm like, babe, something wrong with the microwave, but it was actually burning the back. But it's all good. Now we know. Can't change it, and it still works perfect. So that's all that matters. But that is the inside of my microwave. And if you want to keep your microwave nice and clean without all the scrubbing and all the extra, and just keeping maintenance up on it so you don't have to worry about it looking disgusting in the inside, that is a quick tip. And I use Dollar Tree lemon juice. All right guys, talk to you later.